What if I told you that you could step into a fairy tale castle carved entirely from ice? Or join a celebration so vibrant it paints the entire city and everyone in it with the colors of the rainbow? Forget your typical beach vacation or city tour. Today we are diving into 5 experiences that are so powerful, so unique, and so immersive, they will fundamentally change the way you see the world. These are not just parties, they are the vibrant, beating hearts of culture. Hello, fellow adventurers, and welcome back to the channel. We all travel for different reasons, but if you're like me, you're searching for those truly authentic moments, the ones that connect you to a place and its people. And there is no better way to do that than by experiencing a culture's most important celebration. So today, we are counting down our picks for the top 5 most unique cultural festivals across the globe. We're ranking these in reverse order, based on the sheer scale of the event, traveler satisfaction, and the pure, unforgettable magic of the experience. We're going to journey from quiet spiritual moments to the biggest party on the planet. So grab your passport, and let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5, we travel to the beautiful island of Taiwan, to a small hillside town called Pingxi. Once a year, as part of the Lunar New Year celebrations, this quiet village becomes the stage for one of the most breathtakingly beautiful spectacles on Earth, the Pingxi Lantern Festival. Imagine standing shoulder to shoulder with thousands of people as the sun sets. You purchase a large paper lantern, and on its 4 sides, you paint your wishes for the coming year. Wishes for health, for love, for prosperity. Then, as darkness falls, a signal is given. All at once, a wave of light and hope lifts into the night sky. Thousands upon thousands of glowing orbs float silently upwards, carrying the collective dreams of everyone around you. It is not a loud or wild party. It is a profoundly moving and communal experience of quiet wonder. To be there, to release your own lantern and watch it join a galaxy of others, is a moment of pure, peaceful magic you will never forget. For our number 4 spot, we are bundling up and heading to the far northeast of China, to a city that redefines the meaning of winter. Welcome to the Harbin International Ice and Snow Festival. This is not just a collection of ice sculptures, it is the construction of an entire city from frozen water. For over a month, the city transforms into a true winter wonderland, attracting more than 15 million visitors. Gigantic blocks of ice, harvested from the nearby Songhua River, are carved into life-sized pagodas, towering castles, and intricate monuments that are illuminated from within by a kaleidoscope of colored lights. You can walk through the gates of a frozen palace, slide down a massive ice slide, or simply stand in awe of the sheer scale and artistry on display. Despite temperatures that can plummet to minus 30 degrees Celsius, the atmosphere is anything but cold. It is a celebration of winter's beauty and human creativity, on a scale that honestly defies belief. Coming in at number 3 is a festival that beautifully intertwines celebration with remembrance. We are heading to the heart of Mexico, specifically the city of Oaxaca, for Dia de los Muertos, or the Day of the Dead. Now, it is crucial to understand this is not a somber event, nor is it a Mexican Halloween. It is a joyous, vibrant, and deeply spiritual celebration of life, and a tribute to the family members who have passed on. For 2 days, the city bursts with color. The streets and marketplaces are filled with the brilliant orange of marigold flowers, believed to guide the spirits home. Families build intricate altars, or ofrendas, in their homes, laden with food, photos, and the favorite items of their departed loved ones. At night, the cemeteries come alive, not with grief, but with music, food, and laughter, as families gather to share stories and spend time with the souls of their ancestors. As a traveler, to witness this profound expression of love and memory is an incredible honor. It is a powerful reminder that those we have lost are never truly gone. Our number 2 festival is an absolute explosion of joy, and is arguably the most colorful celebration in the entire world. We are traveling to India, to the sacred city of Vrindavan, for the Festival of Holi. This ancient Hindu festival celebrates the arrival of spring and the victory of good over evil. But for anyone who experiences it, it is a day of pure, uninhibited fun. The rules are simple. there are no rules. The streets become a playground where everyone, strangers, friends, young and old, engages in a massive citywide celebration. You will be covered from head to toe in colored powders and water, known as gulal. The air is thick with vibrant clouds of pink, blue, green, and yellow. There is dancing, singing, and a palpable sense of unity and happiness that breaks down all barriers. To participate in Holi is to shed your inhibitions and connect with the childlike joy inside you. It is messy, it is chaotic, and it is one of the most life-affirming and exhilarating experiences you can possibly have. And now for our #1 spot. It is called the greatest show on earth for a reason. For the most spectacular, electrifying, and largest festival in the world, we must go to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, for Carnival. For nearly a week, this entire city of over 6 million people surrenders to the rhythm of samba. Carnival is an experience on a scale that is difficult to comprehend until you are in the middle of it. There is the world-famous parade in the Sambadrome, where the city's top samba schools compete with jaw-dropping floats, intricate costumes that take a full year to create, and thousands of perfectly synchronized dancers. But the heart of Carnival beats in the streets. Hundreds of blocos, or street parties, take over every neighborhood, with millions of people dancing, singing, and celebrating life. The energy is infectious, the music is relentless, and the atmosphere is one of pure, unfiltered ecstasy. Rio's Carnival is more than a party. It is a dazzling display of culture, passion, and human spirit that attracts millions from every corner of the globe. It is, without a doubt, the ultimate festival experience. From the serene, floating wishes in Taiwan to the earth-shaking samba beats in Rio, these festivals are proof that travel is about so much more than just seeing new places. It is about feeling them, breathing them, and letting them become a part of you. So now I have to ask you, which of these incredible festivals is now at the top of your bucket list? Or perhaps you have been lucky enough to experience one of them already. Please, share your stories, your opinions, and your recommendations in the comments below. I truly love reading about your adventures. And if you love exploring our world's most incredible cultures and destinations, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next adventure. Until next time, keep exploring.